Let's try placing down a golf ball. Oh, there it is. So I placed it down. I can move it around if I want to. I'm moving it a little closer to me. So here's good. Okay, so I moved my golf ball like right there. Let's actually see if it's on the ground. And it is. That's good. And then I could place a wall unit as well. So let me place a bunch of wall units. I tapped on the bottom one to stack it. Ooh, did not mean to do that. Let me hit undo. And oh my god, please. Okay, cool. So I have these wall units. Let me throw in a bush if I want. Drag it over here. And then I have to put down my golf hole, which I can put down all the way over here. And then my reference paper, which I can place here. Okay, perfect. And these blocks are kind of too stagnant, so let me just go ahead and rotate them a bit. Ooh, how did you get moved over here? Let's undo that real quick. Let me see if I like the way that looks. Yep, I do. So I'll redo it. Okay, perfect. Now that I'm done with my golf course, I can go in here and hit save. So yeah. See, in my right hand controller, I have attached the paper reference objects. And theoretically, the player would align the paper reference object using the controller with an actual sheet of paper. And in the left-hand controller, there is an instruction that says press the trigger to confirm paper placement. So once the player is done aligning their paper, they'll press the trigger and then the entire course will appear. And as you can see, as soon as the course appears, a golf club becomes attached to the right-hand controller and the left-hand text is removed. And then the player will locate the actual golf ball, as you can see here. It's just behind that tree, and every time the player takes a swing and the golf club collides with the ball, it'll add to the score text on the golf club, as you can see here. If the golf ball moves out of the guardian boundary and the player so desires to pick it up again, they can basically take the left-hand controller, point the red pointer at the ball, and then make a grabbing motion, and the ball will be retrieved in their hand. They can also choose to just directly grab the ball if the ball is close enough and then place it down. And as you can see, that's exactly what's happening here. And basically, the player will try to hit the ball into the golf hole. And as soon as the ball collides with the golf hole, there should be an audio that gets played. But you can't hear it in this video because I'm using the application suggested, which doesn't record the audio. But as you can see, I knock the ball into the hole and it disappears.